Okay, welcome back to the channel. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going to Shell para mapa-change oil itong kotse na kabibili ko lang. This right here is a Vios na 3rd gen. And since I got the car, I would say more than a week ago, hindi ko pa siya napapa-change oil. So, today's the day na ipapa-change oil na natin siya. Titingnan natin kung magkano yung aabutin sa pagpapa-change oil nitong sasakyan na to. And at the same time, titingnan natin kung ano yung langis na gagamitin nila. We are going to be seeking their recommendation kung ano yung magandang langis para dito sa sasakyan na to. Pero at the same time, syempre, we'd like to go for the most affordable option na hindi naman mako-compromise yung performance. So let's see kung ano yung mga options nila doon. Siyempre doon tayo sa shop na pinaka-kukunti yung pila kasi we have limited time right now. Let's visit this shop right here. And yun, tara tingnan natin. Mukhang walang pila, so ayun, tara, let's go. So yun, may available na slot. Thank goodness. Buti na lang mabilis yung magiging process ngayon. Kasi nga wala masyadong tao, which is surprising kasi Saturday ngayon. I was expecting na madaming tao. And sa totoo lang, I was thinking na next week ko na lang gagawin. Pero yun, I'm so glad na I decided to do it today. Before the change oil even started, they checked yung mga lights, yung wiper, and yung windshield wiper. So yun, and chinek nila kung ano na yung odometer. And in this case, ano na, 53,286. So yun, yun na yung current reading niya. So, we'll go inside the shop para makapili na tayo ng oil for this car and para ma-umpisahan na yung process. 5WD-40? Yung semi? Semi-sin?
May record naman buwa sa akin.
Oo, kaya lang ibang sasakyan yun. Oo.
Yan po yung bago.
Oo.
Sa change yun lang po.
Oo.
Bali nasa 2383 pa.
2383. Sige, sige. Okay. So, yan na. They already started the process. And yung napili na oil is 5W40 na semi-synthetic. This is the car right now. And to be honest, I haven't really edited the video nung binili ko tong sasakyan na to. So, I'll be posting that later on. Pero yan, for now, I'm just showing you the car since magpapa-PMS tayo. Medyo lowered yung sasakyan kaya I think it's a bit difficult for them to mount the jacks. In my previous video, nilower ko tong sasakyan na to. I installed a set of L&T lowering springs. So yan. And by the way, yan, dinala na yung oil na gagamitin. Yan, that right there. It's a 5W40 na semi-synthetic. Tapos yan, ito pala yung filter na gagamitin, C110. Another Vios, nice. To be honest, I'm a bit excited about having the car lifted kasi this is the first time that I will be seeing the under chassis of the car. So yun, according to them, ito yung yung filter ko nga pala. So according to them, palitin na kasi madumi na siya. Palitin na rin. Naku nga. So yun, cabin filter, madumi na rin. I'll add this on the list of things to replace. Here is the car's engine bay. So what they do is they also check the battery kung okay pa. Let's see kung okay pa yung battery. Ano pong condition? Okay pa? Sige, sige. I'm actually quite surprised na okay pa yung battery considering the fact na ito pa yung yung battery that came with the car nung bago siya. They're also checking the coolant And yun, chinecheck nila yung mga bagay-bagay sa ilalim ng hood, engine components, things like that. This is the reason why nagpa-change oil na lang ako dito sa Shell. Usually kasi ako na yung nagche-change oil ng kotse, pero yun, this time I decided to have it done para kompleto yung pag-check. So yan na, tinataas na yung sasakyan. Again, makikita ko na yung ilalim for the first time. So yan, tingnan natin kung meron mga bulok or any damage sa ilalim. By the way, yan, check this out. This is the LNT lowering spring that I installed a couple of days ago. So yan. So yan, there you go. So wala naman siyang mga ingay. So I think I did the install correctly. And yan. Tinatanggal na yung oil. Pinubuksan na yung drain plug. So yun, niluwagan na rin yung oil filter. Ayan, there you go. Yan, tingnan natin yung ilalim ng sasakyan. Ayan. Alright, so yan yung ilalim ng sasakyan. And ayan, wala naman ako nakikita mga bulok. Wala rin ako nakikita mga damage. Wala din namang signs na aksidente siya. Chine-check nila yung thickness ng tires ko. Chine-check din nila yung thickness ng brake pads. Yung naman mga tires ko, makapal pa. Yan, Kumho brand. Tapos 2023 production. Ayan. So, bago pa siya. All four tires are almost new. So, yan o. Same brand. Ayan, at this point, binababa na yung sasakyan. They're done draining the old oil. Tapos, I guess they'll proceed with refilling the engine with the new oil. And again, ito yung gagamitin nila. Pinastart na nila yung sasakyan na lagyan na ng langis. I think we're done. So syempre, chinecheck nila kung may mga leaks. Okay na? Sige, sige. Kanina 2,380. Tapos
2,380 po ngayon, 2,145 po.
2,145. Ayan, 2,145. Ayan. Alright, thank you. Alright, so there you go. Tapos na. Finally. So, ito yung pinagbayaran natin. Now, originally, 2,386 dapat yung computation nila. Pero they advised me to download the Go Plus app from Shell. Tapos nagkameron ng, ayan o, 238 pesos and 30 cents na discount, taking the total down to 2,144. Yun. So for that amount, naka-change oil na ako, hindi na ako napagod, na-check ko pa yung ilalim. So yun, good na tayo dito. And by the way, yung advice nila is every 7,000 kilometers yung change oil. So what we're going to be doing next is yan, itong trip A, siguro ito na lang yung magiging indication ko ng kung gaano nang kalayo yung takbo ko from the change oil. So yan, i-reset natin to. Yan. So yun, 7,000 kilometers, papa-change oil ulit tayo dito sa Shell. So yan, all good. So yun guys, thank you very much for joining me in today's vlog. I will be creating more videos regarding this car. Meron pa akong mga na-shoot na hindi ko pa na-edit. So I will see you on the next vlog. Till next time guys.